Hey, and welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the Gravy Guy. If you're looking for cheap meal recipes or budget-friendly ideas, you've come to the right spot. I'm going to show you how to make a simple and delicious economic dinner using Spam and ramen, smothered in a delicious white sauce. Start off with some prep work. Break out your trusty blade and a board. Chop up half of a 12-ounce can of Spam any way that you like. And I hear you back there. I know you want to know what I did with the other half of the can of Spam. I made another struggle meal, a ramen and spam carbonara. I'll put a link on the screen for you to check it out. Enough of that chit chat, let's make the sauce. Grab a skillet or a saute pan, throw it on a burner, put it over medium to high heat, and drop in 1 tablespoon, 15 grams bacon grease. Ah, the deliciousness. Don't be scared of bacon grease. Why has everybody gotta be so scared of bacon grease? I know, I hear you. I don't know. Let's get back to it. Focus now, focus. Drop in your Spam, cook it until it's lightly golden brown. That'll take you roughly about 2 to 3 minutes. And trust me, you definitely want to brown it. That color, that equals flavor. Moving right along, you're doing a great job. Time to add flour, 1.5 tablespoons. That's about 12 grams. Drop it in. Turn your burner to medium heat, mix, and cook for about 2 minutes. Everything looks perfect. Now it's time for you to grab some milk, 1 cup, 250 milliliters, pour it in. Your gravy, it's now starting to come together, and if you didn't realize it before, you probably do now, that this is stemming off of that SOS or the you-know-it-on-a-shingle type gravy, but made with Spam. Give everything a quick mix, make sure that roux, the butter flour mixture, is incorporated into that liquid. Spank in some pepper, and your burner, it's over medium to low heat at this point. And looky, what do we have here? Where's Waldo sauce? And it tastes dadgum good. Drop a dash or 2 in, and see if you can find Waldo. Mix everything, and let the sauce simmer. At this point, you have a choice. You can either eat it like this, or you can throw in some veggies. Frozen mixed vegetables will do, or frozen peas, whatever you like, drop them in. You could also use canned or fresh vegetables if you like, whatever floats your boat. Give everything a 360. Once those veggies are warm, you're done. That takes care of step 1. Step 2, time to make the ramen. If you happen to have multiple burners, you can start the ramen noodles halfway through the cooking of the sauce. Bring your water to a boil, add the ramen, and cook per the manufacturer's instructions. This typically takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the ramen are done, take them off heat. It's time to throw everything together. The easiest thing to do, drop those noodles right into the same skillet that you made that gravy in. That way it'll save you a little bit of time and keep you from having to do extra dishes. Nobody likes to do dishes. Pour in some of the noodle water and then give everything a quick stir. It's a good idea to give everything a taste to see if you need to adjust the seasoning. You're probably not going to have to add any salt, but you may want to add a dash of pepper. And while I'm thinking about it, if you have a low sodium diet, you might want to buy the reduced sodium Spam. And that's all there is to it. That's how you make an SOS gravy with Spam. Thanks for watching. I hope this recipe saves you some cash. And if you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. If you happen to be looking for additional low-cost budget meal ideas, check out this chipped beef gravy or this ramen carbonara. Thanks again for watching. Remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.